Hi everyone, I'm Otis. Welcome back to my channel today. In this video, I'll guide you on how to use MK to message hundreds or thousands of your friends using your existing Facebook accounts. Okay, first, we'll go into the software. Select the messaging function. Select Message. Next, we'll check the accounts we want to use for messaging. Okay, next, we'll set up the messaging time from 30 to 50 seconds. Next is to choose the content we want to send. I already have some pre-written message content here, so I'll click Save. Next, we'll allow sending duplicate messages, or if you don't want duplicates, check here. Next, I'll enable random content, and below you can choose to message by ID, by profile, or by page ID, or by friend. This time, I'll choose to send messages to friends. Further down, you can choose to add comments or do something else. Next, we just need to click Start, and that's it, we're done. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a share. And if you want to get this software, please message me on Telegram or Whatsapp. You can also scan the QR code directly on the screen. See you all in the next video.